Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse a YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to unsave pins on Pinterest. So let's jump right into the video without wasting any second. So what you have to do is you have to go to your profile. Here, click on your profile and now scroll a little bit down, and if you are in the created tab, please select saved tab, and here we have our saved pins, right? We save pins, and now this is what we have here. I mean, at least that's what I have. I only have one. So if I want to unsave this one, I have to click on this edit icon, on this pencil icon. Click on it, and here we have a new option: delete, and now delete again. It took me some time to find that. Actually, I couldn't find it. I couldn't find that option to delete. But yeah, I learned something. Hopefully you learned something as well. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe. I upload every single day tutorials because I love to create tutorials. So if you want to see new tutorials every single day, to watch tutorials every single day and learn something, don't forget to subscribe. It will help a lot this small YouTube channel. And like this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.